You have all probably seen those resin river tables that are all over the internet, but I don't want to do that. Instead, I want to try something different. And by different, I mean carving a sculpture from 2.5 gallon block of resin with acacia burl in it. By the way, if you want to see the whole process, you can check out my channel. I have a long form video for this whole sculpture. This was my first ever resin sculpture, and I was just figuring things out. So what do you think? How did I do?